Hush period in this bit, man. And Tag got y'all high school football again, bro. Like, bro, we doing a bunch of high school football games, bro. It's the fourth round of playoffs, bro. The high school season come to an end, bro. And I'm dedicating myself to reacting to a bunch of high school games. I know it's in the season, but I'm reacting to high school games that happened beginning of the year. Just generally a bunch of high school games, nigga. Shit, niggas, like I said, niggas look up, probably want, like me, I used to look up high school games, see anybody record our shit. No one really record that shit. We had a couple games recorded. But yeah, bro, so you know what I mean? I'm finna do that. Know what I mean? But I got y'all today, number 6, Desoto. I don't know if they number 6 in the state, number 6. I think they're number 6 in the state. I don't think they're number 6 in the country. So they do have a loss. And we got Longview, nigga, you know what I mean? Desoto should win this shit. I mean, they have one loss, it's Desoto. Like, what the fuck? Didn't they win state for the past 2 years? Last year they won like 74. You know what I mean? But look, I'm finna skip this shit, bro. Come on, show me something. Y'all niggas got motherfucking win state again. You know what I mean? Like, y'all ain't gotta show me shit. Y'all wanna stay with this win state again. Like, nigga, like, obviously last year nobody's fucking with y'all. See, this is what my last game played at Baylor, bro. The fuck, you gotta have whacked, boy. Oh shit, 20 trying to get out there. 20 is trying to get out of there. Oh shit, my nigga going crazy. Oh, there we go. See, them niggas came to play, boy. Them niggas came to play. Who got blocked?
Point after block, in quarter number 1.
In the first quarter, 6-0. Bullshit kick. That's what that shit's called. I ain't calling that shit a squid. That's a bullshit kick. Nice little return. Ooh, stay on your feet. Stay on your feet, one. Cook took that whole casa. Got a casa. Good catch. Oh, no. 16. No. My nigga knocked out. I thought oh, that's 18. I was gonna say. I ain't gonna run that shit back. Oh, my God. Blur him, though. Blur him. 7-6.
In Washington.
Lil D. Y'all Lil D, because, you know, Dunk Lil D. So y'all pick that. But Lil D up 7-6. Oh shit! Oh shit! Longview offense came to play. Oh, Longview offense came to play. Yeah, keep moving them legs, 20.
First down.
Read option. Good tackle by number 6. Oh shit. Oh shit. That was excellent blocking. Fuck what number 20 did, nigga. Listen, the blocking was crazy. They just made it easy for 20. The blocking was crazy.
Longview 13. Desoto.
Who Longview is to? Damn, DB. You know what I mean?
Head on once on the carry.
yellow one. Well, y'all gotta break one of these hoes. You ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna lie, Longview got that shit in the box. Hey, let's not get them fucked up now. They got that shit in the box. Nice little calm run, but they're punting the ball. No, come on, punt the ball. Punt the ball. Oh my gosh, that was a very athletic play by the kicker. Very athletic play, very classy, very demure. Oh, bro, because that could have been easy 2 points for no reason. Okay, 12. Go crazy, 12. Oh, they didn't throw that ball. Look, you was getting grabbed on, but they didn't throw that ball. Look, offense, bro. Y'all need to wake up, bro. Y'all punting the ball awful lot, bro. Oh no! Oh no! Go Casa! Go Casa! Casa! My nigga went Casa! 90 yards! Oh shit! Longview! Oh no, Desoto, y'all are in trouble. 20-7. It's 20-7. Wake up! What's going on? 20-7. Show me some, Mo. Hey, y'all defense like they need help. Go put some points on the board. But no, they boxing that, bro. They is boxing that. Oh, no. Make the tackle. Who's that, 21? Yeah, you got to make those, buddy. Oh, no, they're going Casa on you. Oh, no, they're going Casa on y'all. No. Don't tell me they finna score 27 before half. Longview's not even that big of a team. They kind of little, to be honest. $23.7.5. Hey, look, y'all niggas better lock in, boy. Well, y'all are finna. Hey, Desoto finna start hooping. Who would have thought Desoto would have lost in the 4th round? You don't lock in. Desoto finna be hooping at by the end of this game. Y'all niggas finna be crying like big ass babies. Now it's halftime.
If you've been injured in a car accident, don't call an attorney. Use this AI app instead.
Bro, forget this shit, bro. Don't give a fuck about this shit, bro. On the guys, nigga. Let's go. I'm gonna edit this hell out. Hi, Desoto. Look, it ain't looking good. We need you niggas to lock in now. Nah, it's 23-7. Like, come on now. What are y'all doing? Oh, no. You got to make that tackle. But he's finna go by again? Oh, hell no. But come on. What the fuck going on? What's going on with Desoto right now? Y'all not supposed to lose a Longview. I ain't saying Longview trash, but they ain't supposed to beat y'all. Y'all are getting flooded. Oh my, y'all are getting flooded. Oh no, I know they sick to their stomach right now. They probably in shock. I know the parents like, man, what the fuck? I know their parents like, man, what? What is going on? That was a nice solid hit. He ain't boom him, but that was a nice solid one. Look, 12, bro, you better make some damn plays. They own that shit though. There we go, 13. We need some plays. There we go. That's type plays y'all need if y'all don't want to hoop. Y'all don't want to be crying at the end of the game. Y'all need some more of those. There we go. No reason to celebrate. Don't even celebrate. Take your ass back to the sideline and get ready for the next drive. To be honest, shit, yeah, let's kick it deep. I would say onside kick, but hell no, let's kick it deep. Let's go get a stop. They throwing the flag? Yeah. 21, you be getting fried all game. I ain't gonna lie. You been missing tackles. You got that PI, bro. You better lock in or your ass gonna be crying like a big ass baby. I'd have blew his ass up just because I've been getting fucked up the whole game. I just blew him up. I don't give a damn he on the sideline. Like, y'all need to tackle 20. But 20 been killing y'all, man. There we go, 20. I was finna say 21 missing left tackle, but good tackle though, boy. Oh no. Look, this y'all chance. This nigga threw a pick six. Get ready to hoop, nigga! Get ready to hoop, nigga! Y'all niggas finna be hooping. Y'all niggas better go shoot some layups. You ready to shoot some layups? No, I mean practice on the goalpost. Go to goalpost, lay the football up, nigga, on the goalpost. Niggas, y'all niggas finna do at the end by the night, nigga, bro. Look, I know them niggas sick, and they got the big 6'8" nigga. Look, y'all better go start practice dunk on the goalpost. 13s, go dunk on the goalpost, nigga. Hey, take that whole crib and just dunk that hoe on the goalpost. You finna be doing today after today, nigga. Hey, y'all niggas better come on. Look, y'all got 12 minutes. Look, y'all got 12 minutes to come back 18 down. This is 18? Am my math fucked up? Yeah, my math is 22. My math fucked up. Ah, shit. Oh, yeah, these niggas going home. These niggas finna shoot some damn hoops. These niggas finna shoot some damn hoops, boy. Y'all niggas, man, who would have thought y'all niggas would have went home in the third, fourth round, man. Y'all niggas toe up, man. Send them home, Longview. Send them niggas home. (43-14), not Duncanville, Lil D. Desoto, 43-13. 43. I ain't really expect y'all to lose, but damn, y'all are getting busted up. Like, y'all are getting busted up, bro. Like, what is going on? Y'all are getting busted up. Like, chill. Like, they is taking y'all butt right now. They is taking y'all butt right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that shit is boxed. Desoto. Don't let him get 50, bro. Don't let him score. Oh my God, he's finna score again. He finna. Oh hell no, nah. They gave him a 50 burger. Man, fuck no. Hold on, I'm finna fast forward this hoe. These niggas getting their ass whooped. They lost 50-14. Oh my God. Y'all lost 50-14. Oh my goodness. How? I don't even give a fuck. This hoe keep loading. But I don't gotta see no more. But y'all niggas toe up. Oh my God. Hey, it's hooping season though. Look. That's y'all niggas finna be doing, nigga. Sorry ass nigga. Send y'all sorry ass home, nigga. Get the fuck off the court, sorry ass nigga. Y'all deserve this shit, boy. Hell wrong with y'all niggas, man. But look. Congrats Longview, bro. Y'all beat these sorry ass niggas, boy. Yeah, I hope y'all niggas winning that. Not natty. Motherfucking state. Cause man, hey, look, y'all niggas the man, boy. Y'all the fucking man. But look, if y'all like the video, nigga, like, comment, subscribe. See y'all niggas in the next video, man.